Hey guys, Scarlett at Build Across here, and I want to show you how I paint this Christmas wreath. This is a paint by line, which means that all the lines are etched into the cutout for you. You don't have to worry about freehanding anything. Makes it very easy. So I'm going in first with the color Limeade to base coat my wreath, and all the colors I use in this video will be Dixie Belle chalk paint, which you can purchase online at buildacross.com. It is my favorite paint. And I also went in with Honky Tonk Red to do all my red accents, the ribbon, the berries, and the bow at the top. And then once that's done, I'm going to allow everything plenty of time to dry. And then I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker to outline everything. And I'll also be using that marker to do a little hand lettering at my wreath. It's not perfect, but I want to continue to do hand lettering every opportunity I get, because I know the more I do it, the better I'll get at it. So, of course, if you wanted to go in with like some vinyl, that would work as well on these cutouts and the paint that we use. So that would work as well if that's what you'd prefer. Once I'm done outlining and everything, I'm going to go in with a number 4 round in the color Cotton, which is Dixie Belle's whitest and brightest white, and highlight everything just a little bit to soften it and brighten it up. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a wonderful day.